Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Turkey or Turkey. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened Republic of Turkey electronic visa system. Okay, and I have taken you to the tour section where they have given you information about various important points. So if you read all this, you will get to know most of the points. Okay, now once you are through this, you can click on apply now. So I have a link, apply for an e-visa. I'm gonna click on this. So three steps: apply, make payment, and then download. Okay, so you can click on apply now. So select country. So the country will tell you based on your country of selection, it will show you if you can apply through e-visa or not. For example, if you're an Indian citizen, security validation. I'm very bad in this captcha. I don't know why. Okay. So it's showing 43 USD and admin fee 6 USD. So total 49 US dollars. Arrival date. So let's say I'm coming on Sunday. Okay. So this is the validity. Okay. So my visa validity in this case will be between these 2 days for the period of 180 days and cannot exceed 30 days. Fine. Prerequisite. You must meet all the requirements below to obtain an e-visa. Otherwise, you need to apply for traditional visa. So this is for Indian national. Passport validity, return ticket, purpose of tourism. I have valid supporting document, valid visa or valid residence for one of the Schengen countries, USA, UK or Ireland. Okay, fine. So if you have a visa of these countries as an Indian national, then only you can apply for an e-visa. Now, what I had seen that if I select Canada as nationality, I don't need to select all this, but that's okay. Let's say you have this. Okay. So we have reached here on this page. So, okay. So when you're applying alone, you'll just fill this one. If you're applying with one more person, you will click on add a new person. I mean, let's say you're applying as a family. So I'm going to put some sample information. You do your real information and whatever you enter, make sure you check it 2 times. Johnson. Place of birth, let's say mother name, let's say Ella Smith. Father's name, let's say Peter Smith. Passport number, passport issue date, expiry date, type of supporting document, visa. Again, yeah, document from, let's say you have a Schengen country or USA. Okay, let's USA visa number, expiry date, Just putting sample. Email address. Phone number. They're allowing plus, so I can use IST code. Address. Put your address. Don't do like this. Okay. If you are going as a family, add one more person. Otherwise, click on save and continue. You have to verify it. Now, after this, you will get an email where you will get the payment link. You have to proceed with that. Okay. If you have not received, you can click on this. And from there, you can apply for your application. I mean, only after you make the payment, it will be processed, right? That's the first step. But yeah, so unless you proceed with the payment, it will not go. I mean, this is the first step, but that's the second step. So of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea. Next, after payment, it will ask you for the documents that you need to upload. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.